Hello from YouTube land. You have landed on the Grand Poobah channel, which is where I am making a Mini-Max 1030 Part 103 ultralight airplane out of these little sticks, these bed sheets here. Hopefully it's going to fly. It's not going to have a parachute or no safety feature other than the grace of God. And that was our that's what we're talking about today in the fellowship, grace and law and all that, and how we're lucky that we ain't got to do a thing to get to heaven. Jesus did it all. Anyway, I got the front glued. This is the bottom of the wing. I'm gonna come along here and do the back now. Glue this down, pull it tight, do a little ironing. I've already pre-glued these members here with poly brush. And then we're gonna flip the wing over and do it. Hopefully we'll have this wing done here in a couple of days. We'll start on the port wing. Get this plane done one of these days. Well, guess what? Beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. God bless us with another gorgeous day. Hope he's doing the same for you. I need some more brushes. I keep going through brushes and gloves on a regular basis. I pre-cut these holes for the strut brackets earlier, pulled it tight over top of it. Wife just got back with some shiny new paintbrushes for me. I've been going through them here at the Dollar Tree. $1.25. Used to be $1, now it's $1.25. Ain't nothing like it used to be. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing up in the air. I got a lot of stuff to do beforehand. I haven't even started the engine yet or none of that. And still got to do a bunch of wiring and lots of stuff. Not to count, I got finished doing all this. There's a lot to it. It's pretty tight though. I'll be able to tighten this up pretty good. I'm getting better at my glue joints are a lot more smoother now, much less wrinkle free. Everyone's getting a little better. Now I put the poly brush on this wood before I did it. And I didn't do that with the other works I did. And I think it's helped as far as being the workability of it. Maybe because it's a little bit tacky and just, it helps hold it for you, I don't know. But there we go. Bottom of the wing. Now I'm gonna flip it over. I could do it from this side, I don't want to. I'm gonna flip it over and put this on. I think I'll put a piece of finishing tape right here in the corner, I don't know. Kind of a sharp edge right there. I don't know, I'm gonna think about that for a minute. But when you come back, I'll have it flipped over. We'll start tucking this in. I'm gonna cut and tuck, and get this side down, and then we'll, of course, put the fabric on the other side. We'll be on the road to the end. Hope you all have a great evening. Come back, see us again soon for 10:30 SBO with me, Scott. I hope God's on your side, and you know what you do. You keep looking up, because that's where our Savior's coming from. And hopefully you'll be here sooner than later. I'm one of them people that would like to see him coming in the clouds and not wait until I die and all that. Of course, all mankind, since Jesus was born, that's what we all want. We want to take the easy way out. We'll see you again soon. Take care.